the General Secretary of the National Democratic Congress, other executive members who are here present, my colleagues from the Justice for Ghana. I know ASEPA is supposed to be here. I don't know whether they've already arrived. And other comrades from other political parties that pledged their support for the Yentuya demonstrations that will take place on Thursday. We are happy to be part of this mobilization that will put pressure on our government to withdraw completely the issue of pickpocketing of the Ghanaian purse. We don't consider electronic transactions levy a tax. To the view of the Justice for Ghana, we believe that taxes are levied on profits. They are levied on gains on capital. They are levied on interest and other incomes. But taxes are never levied on the working capital of businesses. And it is the duty of our government to ensure that in whatever they do, the well-being of the Ghanaian is taken paramount. But in this instant, in spite of the many taxes that our government is taking from us, they have decided that the little that is in our pocket, they will want to take away. We have been citing examples, and I need to cite 2 or 3 examples for you to feel the full ramifications of this thievery that our government want to put on our pockets. If I am in Sankana and I choose to do business on a weekly basis in Accra and say my business capital is 10,000, I call on the youngest General Secretary, Asiedu Nketia, that he should stand in for me. So I will send him 10,000 Ghana cedis. In doing so, the government will take 175 Ghana cedis from my money. When the money gets to him, since he is not the owner of the business, and he also probably have to transmit electronically, he also pay 175 Ghana cedis. He will not bear the cost on my behalf. It means I have to pay him 175. So I pay 175. I add 175 to him. So on my capital of 10,000 for one transaction, I've spent 350 Ghana cedis. That is deducted. My business is sinking. Now, if you have to do the business for 1 year, multiply 350 by 52, and you will see that you get about 18,200. My capital of 10,000 has been taken away, and I have to borrow to come and support my business to survive. This is without other charges. This is without consideration to inflation. This is without consideration to the depreciation of our currency. And obviously, when he has to move from probably the NDC headquarters to Mokola, he has to do transportation. That transportation cost will be added to your business. This is clear way of collapsing the Ghanaian businesses. Another example is those of us who, and I'm sure that most of us journalists here, we have spent all the income that we have so much that we now even borrow from the service providers. I know most of you have borrowed from MTN. Now, if you have to go and pay back the loan, the government will not recognize that you have taken a loan and you have to pay. They are going to charge you on a loan that you are already going to service. Meanwhile, you will be servicing plus interest. This is not an issue that any one of us must take lightly. It is the reason for which when the NDC called for the Yentuya demonstration, we told them that this cannot be an NDC affair. It should be an affair for all Ghanaians. And we have come to learn from that. So we want to assure you that we'll mobilize in our numbers, we'll partner with all those that this will impact, and I'm sure that every Ghanaian will be impacted negatively on, so that we can tell our government that enough is enough. Thank you so much.